My name is Helena. I'm a Community Inclusion Assistant with Cardiff Wellbeing Support Service. Predominantly, I am setting up groups specifically for neurodivergent people like myself. Some volunteers lead groups, some volunteers support them while we lead them, but there's a whole wide range of ways that they support the different groups. Adaptability is a really great quality. It's always wonderful to have people who have lived experience as well, and they can empathise and engage with the community that way. Passion as well, passion for giving back to our community. The volunteers report that volunteering has improved their confidence, their well-being. They've got access to training and mentoring opportunities as well as the reward system via Tempo Time credits. Yes, thank you so much for all your hard work. We really appreciate it. We could not do all this without you. We're very grateful, and I hope you understand how much of a positive impact you're having on Cardiff. Happy Volunteers Week.